SmartDraw tutorial for beginners. First, access and setup. SmartDraw offers a web-based app or downloadable Windows version. Start with a free trial via the SmartDraw website. Second, navigate the interface. Begin by selecting a template, for example a flowchart, organizational chart, or a mind map. Locate shapes, symbols, text tools, and layout controls. Create your diagram. Drag shapes onto the canvas and drop them into place. Use SmartDraw smart connectors to link shapes. These adjust automatically if you move objects. Double-click shapes or connectors to enter labels, captions, or notes. That's how you add text. Customize stylings. Apply built-in themes for consistent color schemes and font styles across your diagram. Adjust shape sizes, font types, colors, and line styles via the manual formatting tools or context menus. Work with data and layers. For more advanced use, you can overlay data visuals or use layers, for example for separate diagram versions or hiding details. Template categories offer support including floor plans, network diagrams, and UML charts. Save, export, and share. You can export diagrams to PDF, PNG, or Office apps like Word or PowerPoint, or save directly to cloud storage like Google Drive or SharePoint. You can share diagrams collaboratively via links or embed them into tools like Confluence, Jira, or Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.